Pero ngayon, instead na lahat kasi sa grocery, pati palengke, gulay, lahat. Ngayon na malingki na ako, diferensya talaga.
So, palengke na.
Palengke yung gulay.
Okay.
Ako naman, naghanap ako ng more economical options. Like for example, gasoline. Dati sa Big 3 lang ako nagpapagas, 'di ba? Kasi feeling natin mas maganda yung gasolina. Pero ngayon, tumitingin na ako sa iba, sa ibang brand ng gas stations, 'di ba?
So, dapat lang. Wala lang ako dito.
Same with me, especially sa gasoline. Siyempre na, adoy taas, usahay for the week. Next week, mababa na sad. So, by that time na ay, roll back, so, pa full tank yun na mo. Okay, which is my husband also going out of town. So, para makasave po siya, para po mi sa mo ang budgeting. And also for the food, we need also, kung ano yung budget mo, yun talaga. And we have to do list to what are those needed for the groceries. Kasi kung wala doon sa lista mo, meaning wants mo yun. So what are needed, you have to do list. What are the things na kailangan mo siya talaga pilihin. Yung needs. And the wants, budget na yan.
I've learned one thing, that when you do groceries, you have to have a grocery list. Because if you don't keep a list, you will buy some things that you don't need. Yeah, so it's really important, the grocery list. Yeah. So that you will stay within your budget. Diba? Not beyond your budget. Kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung kulang sa bahay. So, kuha ka na lang kuha. And then, pagdating mo sa bahay, ay, marami pa pala. Oh, diba? So, that's why it's very important to have a grocery list talaga.
If there is one thing we want you to know, hindi ka nag-iisa. Lahat tayo, ramdam natin ang epekto nito. But, we have to change our mindset, di ba? Shifting our mindset is very important. So that is why awareness is just the first step. Dapat alam natin kung ano ang problema. If this conversation resonates with you, stay with us sa next episode at pag-uusapan natin kung paano tayo dapat mag-adjust at kung paano tayo pwedeng maging mas handa.